Curiosità. Mighty S. Look at the Italian alphabet. At number 17, we find a seemingly ordinary letter, S. But far from being ordinary, it actually outshines all the other letters. It's a mighty powerful letter. Why? Well, for a number of reasons. Let's look at some fun facts. Fact number 1. There are more Italian words starting with S than with any other letter. Of course, there are loads of entries under other letters, like, for example, C, A or P, but S has got the edge on these letters. Fact number 2. S can be pronounced in different ways. It can be voiceless, as in salto, osso, spillo, cassiera, pasta. It can be voiced, as in casa, svelto, smog, risata, sbaglio. And it can create special sounds when paired with other letters, as in sciarpa, palcoscenico, scimpanzé, sciopero, asciugamano. Fact number 3. S often functions as a prefix, changing the meaning of a word. In this case, S can express an opposite meaning. For example, add S in front of gonfiare, leale and fiducia, and you get sgonfiare, sleale and sfiducia, words with exact opposite meanings. Prefix S can also indicate exit, distance or separation. So from forno, oven, we get sfornare, to take out of the oven. From velo, veil, we get svelare, to unveil, to disclose. And from buco, hole, we get sbucare, to appear. As prefix, S can also have privative quality. In other words, it can remove a characteristic expressed by the word it derives from. For example, from the adjective vecchio, old, we get svecchiare, to update, to modernize. From the word grasso, grease, we get sgrassare, to degrease. And from fame, hunger, we get sfamare, to feed. Some words starting with prefix S can have similar meanings to the words they are derived from. Semantic similarity, for example, can be seen in word pairs such as bianco and sbiancare, foce and sfociare. In some cases, prefix S can have a pejorative function and give words a negative connotation. For example, from verb parlare, to talk, you get sparlare, to speak ill of somebody, and from the noun natura, nature, you get the adjective snaturato, wretched. Fact number 4. Initial S is not always a prefix. In most cases, it is just an ordinary letter. Words starting with S might share spelling similarities with other words, but that does not mean they are also semantically related to them. We can call these false semantic word pairs. Examples of these word pairs are pera, spera, palla, spalla, pari, spari, puntino, spuntino. As you can see from the translations provided, these words do not share the same meaning. They are totally unrelated, and there are many more like these. And this brings us to the end of this short video on letter S. I hope you have enjoyed it and learned something from it. If you have, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. See you in the next video then. Ciao, arrivederci!